Hey guys, as you can see, we got a little bit of rain coming down right now, but it'll be gone in just a few minutes, I think, according to the radar. It's just like a little green spot right over my house. But I'm getting ready to throw down 3 products this evening. We have some tropical storms coming up from the Gulf. I'm in central Alabama, so it's coming up from the Gulf through Louisiana, and it should hit us tomorrow and Sunday. Today is Friday, by the way. So these 3 products I'm going to put down, and it should water it in really good over the next couple of days. Hopefully it won't rain too heavy, but it should water it in good. As soon as this get a little slack in the rain, I'll put down these 3 products. But first, let me show you what I'm going to put down. Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. Yeah, I'm sitting on the rocking chair right here on the back porch and watching it come down. Shouldn't last too much longer, but let me show you these 3 products I'm going to put down today, or this evening. Let's see. First one is a product by Simple Growth Solutions. It is a soil Hume. So put it down first. Then it has seaweed in it and some humic and fulvic acid. And what this stuff does, it helps increase the nutrient uptake for the lawn. And I've got my bottles pre-filled right here with my product. Let's see, I got it labeled. First one, we got a little one right here, so I'll put this one down first. And that is the soil Hume. And then after I put the soil Hume in, I can come behind it with a little moisture manager, and it's by Lesco. This is similar to, you see Hydrotain a lot. I believe it's actually the same thing. I'm not real sure on that, but we all know what moisture manager does. It gets in the ground, helps the ground retain moisture. And all 3 of these little bottles, same type of bottle, they cover about 3,200 square feet. In fact, if you look at the directions on this, 1 quart treats up to 3,500 square feet. And it said for best results, apply it to wet soil. Well, I'm gonna have some wet soil. And then afterwards, water at least 1/10 of an inch. That's not much at all. So we're gonna water this in with the next product. And the 3rd product I'm gonna put down is by Simple Growth Solutions as well. And that is the root Hume. And this is basically just a humic and fulvic acid. And it basically does the same thing. I believe it may be very close to the same product. The other one has seaweed in it. The soil Hume has seaweed in it. But this one, it's a good root booster. Hopefully it'll get those roots energized. And hopefully this moisture manager will work its magic as we move into the summer. It's mid-June right now. If you know anything about Alabama summer, it gets hot and humid. Thankfully, we've been blessed with this rain. You can see it's really overcast up there. It's coming down. I don't have gutters, so what I did, I built these little side note. I built these little sitting benches to catch the rain. And basically, it just bounces off those actually concrete, so it just bounces off, and no need for gutters. But I think overall the yard's looking pretty good. My daughters noted, I had to point out the little dog pee spot, so they laugh about that. I don't. So anyway, yeah, overall it's looking pretty good. Let me hook these up. As soon as it stops raining or slacks a little bit, I'll hook it up to my water hose down there, and I will get to spraying this real quick. And total, I'm gonna go from that corner to this corner. If you see my other videos, so right about there, and then up to this corner. And that's right at 3,000 square feet. As you know, I've cut my real mowing back, you know, because everybody's back in the office nowadays, so having to work, don't have as much time in the evenings because of the commute. But, you know, I took out this top part, probably about 500 square feet up there under the play center and all. I'm not real mowing it this time. But I'm just sticking to this right here, 3,000 square feet, which is plenty. Definitely keeps me busy. So let's get to spraying. All right, first let's spray down some soil Hume. Put a little seaweed and humic fulvic acid on the yard. All right, that was quite enjoyable spraying in the rain while it's a little sprinkling outside. But second thing I'm gonna put down now is the Lesco moisture manager. And again, this is hydroscopic humectant technology right there. It's similar to, like I said earlier, similar to Hydrotane. So if you use Hydrotane, it's basically the same product. So hook this up and spray it down good. All right, guys, this is my first time using the Lesco moisture manager. It's pretty neat. It's like putting out bubbles everywhere. So it's kind of like maybe baby shampoo. I've heard that's a lot of people do that. So I got the camera here. I wanted to see if you guys could see it on camera. See if you can see the little bubbles as I finish going over this area. Not sure if the camera picking it up, but yeah, little baby bubbles are just floating everywhere. I walked pretty fast the first cover. I did a time lapse of, but it went, it actually was coming out fairly slow. I'd read that Hydrotane came out really fast and I need to run with it. So I thought this bottle may be the same, but the bottles may be different because this is coming out pretty slow. In fact, I've been over this area 2 times. Really good coverage. You can see I'm almost empty. Got a little bit at the very bottom. Okay guys, now the third and final product I'm putting down is the Root Hume, which is just your humic and fulvic acid blend. Let me throw this down. And keep in mind, why am I doing this when it's about to rain? Because I don't have an irrigation system. I can't afford to irrigate 27,000 plus square feet. So I have to try and time everything according to the rain. So I'm hoping these 3 products putting down on this backyard. I wish I had an extra bottle of that moisture manager. I could do it on the front yard, but I'm just going to test it on this backyard, see how it does. Okay guys, I love spraying this stuff. See if we can pick this up on camera and see the dark. Should be a little line right in here where I hadn't sprayed yet. I love it so you can actually see this product going down. See if we can pick this up on camera. There you go, see it turned brown. Just had to grab the camera and show you guys. As I finish up this last part, my water hose just is long enough to reach this back corner here. As you can see, fully covered. Just ran out. Now that is a greener lawn. Yes sir guys, we got it. Got all 3 products down. Put down the Soil Hume, the Lesco Moisture Manager, and also finally the Root Hume from Simple Lawn Solutions. Now we're gonna let that soak in. Should get a little more sprinkle this evening. And then some heavier rains are going to move in tomorrow to really get all this product down into the soil, down around the roots, and hopefully it'll work really good this summer. I think today, what's today, 18th, yeah, today's the 18th of June. So we'll see how this is looking come 1st of July, a little after, close to August. The moisture manager is supposed to last 3 months, and I'll probably put down another application of Simple Lawn Solutions, both of those. I'll try and do that monthly if I have time, but the moisture manager is supposed to last 3 months. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, give me a like. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below. Love to hear from you guys. Hear what you think. Have you guys used the Lesco moisture manager, or do you stick with Hydrotane? Just let me know. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. You have a great day.